So, all right, so again, find the, all right, so 48 pi divided by 3. What's 48 divided by 3? Karina, you said 16. So we got 16 pi. That is our exact answer. What is the approximate answer? So when you multiply 16 times pi, what do you get? You get volume is approximately 50.3 centimeters cubed. Make sure you add the unit. So far, so good? What's your understanding so far? I get this. Fist of 5. Show me 5, I get it. 4, I'm almost there. 3, I need some practice. Homework will be great. Yeah. All right, good. Most of you guys are showing me 4s and 5s. Some of you are refusing to show me what you're doing. So here we go. Now we have the same problem. This time it's just written in words and there's no picture. So it's asking me to find the height if I know the volume and the radius. Could I do that? Yeah. Absolutely, because we're just going to substitute different information. What does it say my volume is? 21 pi. Okay, so my volume is going to be 21 pi. What's my radius?
3.
So I can substitute my radius and pi, but I need to find h, and I'm going to complete it as putting it over 3. Okay? So, what do I need to do first? If I'm following PEMDAS, what do I do first? So, get rid of my exponent, right? What's 3 squared? Okay, so then I have 21 pi is equal to 9 pi, right? I still don't know what h is, and I know it's over 3. Can I divide this 9 and 3? What do I get? Okay, so now my new answer is 21 pi is equal to 3 pi times h, right? So let's say I divided both sides by that 3 pi. Could I do that? So if I divide both sides by 3 pi, what's my left going to turn into? What eliminates? Okay, so my 3's and my pi's become 1, right? What about the left side? What's 21 divided by 3? So that becomes 7, right? But my pi's also become 1, right? Pi divided by pi, right? Anything divided by itself is 1, right? So then I end up with 7. So what is my h equal to? 7. Does that make sense? Okay, do you guys need a minute to copy that? You got it?
I need to copy it.
Okay. That's why I asked. So this time, what we did was we didn't know what the height was, but we knew everything else. So we just substituted our information. It told me my volume was 21 pi. Volume is 21 pi. It gave me my radius of 3. The only thing I didn't know was my height. So I solved what I could using my steps that are up on the board there, and you guys should have, to solve for h. Okay? You done, Christian? All right, so here's our last example. This time, what does it want us to find? The radius. What do I know? So I know what the volume is. What's the volume? 180 pi centimeters cubed. What's my height? 15. So I can take my formula and substitute what I know. I know that volume is now 180 pi. And I don't know my radius, but I know that my height is 15. And I know that it's divided by 3. Right? So what can I do? Is there anything that I can do right now? What can I do? 15 and 3, right? If I divide 15 and 3, what does that now become? 5, right? So my new equation says 180 is equal to 5 pi r squared. Okay? So what am I going to do next? Divide both sides by what? by 5 pi, right? Because I want to know that r is what r is, right? So if I divide both sides by 5 pi, my pi's cancel and my 5's cancel. It just leaves me r squared on the right. What cancels on the other side? Can my pi's cancel? Yes. Can I divide 180 by 5? What do I get? So r squared is equal to 36, right? Now, I don't want to know what my radius squared is. I want to know what my radius is. So I'm going to take the root, right? So I'm going to square both sides. Okay, remember, my square and my exponent cancel out, so that leaves me just r. What is the square root of 36? You guys should know this. 6. So my radius is 6 centimeters. Easy peasy lemon squeezy? Okay, I'm going to have Mr. G pass out the copy of the page if you don't have your book. I only have 20, so if you have your book, take it out. And then if you need one for yesterday's assignment, raise your hand.